Did you buy a new Hotlink SIM card? Let me show you how to activate it step by step using your phone.
Open the app and tap on SIM activation to begin the registration.
Next, scan the barcode printed on your Hotlink SIM card.
Now choose the prepaid plan you want to activate.
Scan your Malaysian ID card now. Please center your face in the frame for verification. Verification complete.
Select the mobile number you want to use. You've successfully registered. Insert your SIM card to complete activation.
Your Hotlink SIM is now activated. You can start making calls, sending SMS, and using mobile internet.
If this video helped for you, like and subscribe my channel